Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video anywhere you see it, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Make sure you subscribe on it. Presently, we have over 300 videos on the platform. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice. Any topic you have problem with. Like this question was sent by one of our students, which we have done. We have worked on statistics. We have done group and non-group data. Everything we need, you need on statistics already available. But this is a questions being sent by candidates, which we need to help out so that everybody can see the solution of the problem. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you have not. And okay, now I have this question to work on. Don't forget, this is a question that's being sent and is under statistics. Now, in a mathematics external examination, or a good number of students came late, and the record of this lateness was carefully taken in minutes as follows. Now, lateness time in minutes, number of candidates. The first, this is what 5 to 9, which is going to be 10 students, 10 to 14, 3 students, 15 to 19, 17 students, 20 to 24, 9 students, 25 to 29, 7 students, 30 to 34, 8 students, 35 to 39, 6 students. Now, that is the table. State the class boundary of the distribution. That is question number 1. B. Construct a cumulative frequency curve for the distribution. Use your graph to estimate first the semi-interquartile range of the distribution. That is first. The second one, the number of candidates that came late by more than 20 minutes. Please, these are what I have for you. Please make sure you write these questions down. I have to rub it up so that, and don't forget, we need your help. We need larger board and to have a better camera. You can contribute to this platform. We'll be very, very happy for that. Now, I have my question. I wrote my own here, which it will guide me to, and you have to write your own down so that it will be guide also. Now, I have this particular problem to work upon. The first thing, I have to find the class boundary. Now, when I have to find class boundary, the first thing I will know is I have my class interval. Class interval. Very, very important, which we have our class boundary. Boundaries. Okay. Now, my class boundary, which is our question A. Now, what is my class interval? We have 5 to 9. We have 10 to 14. We have 15 to 19. We have 20 to 24. We have 24 to 25 rather. To 29, and we have 30 to 34, and we have 35 to 39. That is all about that. Now, I want to generate my class boundary here. My class boundary is being defined by the first thing you subtract half from lower class interval, and also add half to upper class interval. Why are you doing that? To be able to so that there will be a connection, there will be a meeting point. You know that class boundary is what we use to generate our histogram. Our histogram is one of them. Now, what am I trying to do? This one will take it away out 4.5 to 9.5. That is my class boundary for the first one, which is 9.5 to 14.5. This is 14.5 to 19.5. I'm taking away and also adding. Take away half from the lower class boundary and add half to upper class interval. Okay, now what is there is this one will be what? 19.5 to 24.5. This one will be 24.5 to 29.5. This one will be what? 29.5 to 34.5. And lastly will be 34.5 to 39.5. That is class boundary. That is question number A. A is being solved. A is being solved. Now, it means my question number A is being what? Solved. B, how do I achieve my B? Now, I have my frequency is very important. The frequency is very, very important. Now, the frequency is given as follows. We have 10, we have 3, we have 17, we have 9, we have 7, we have 8, and 6. That is my class boundary. Now, the next thing to move further on this question is I must find my what? Cumulative frequency. My cumulative frequency is, which is cumulative frequency. Take note of that. Now, how do I generate that? I will have 10 as the first one. 10 plus 3, it will be 13. 13 plus this, it will be 30. Now, 30 plus this, that will be 39. 39 plus this, that will be plus 7, that will be 46. 46 plus this, that will be 54. 54 plus this, that will be 60. It means here, the sum, my number is what? 60. That is the meaning. That is the meaning. That is the meaning of what? Now, I've plotted my what? I've gotten my what? Cumulative frequency. Now, I can now generate my OGIF, which is, we call it cumulative frequency curve. Cumulative frequency for curve can also be called OGIF. It's possible. This is called OGIF. OGIF can also be called, which is cumulative frequency curve. It can also, you can call this, those, they are the same. Now, how do I generate my OGIF? Which is, I'm talking about question B. Now, this is question A, this is question B. Question B, we want to generate our OGIF. Now, it means what I will just do, I want to plot a graph. This should be inside your graph. Permit me to use plain board. Normally, it's supposed to be a graph board. Sorry for that. I will make sure I sketch it in a way that you will understand when you are doing that on your graph. This must be on graph book, or you're supposed to be in graph board. Now, this will be cumulative frequency, and this one will be what? The time we are talking about. Now, this is the time, and it means time against cumulative frequency. Now, that is very, very important. Now, cumulative frequency, the highest is 60, the lowest is 10. It means we can make it, you are the one that will choose for a suitable scale. Make sure you write your scale at the edge of your graph book. Upper part of it, which is just put a scale, 2 centimeters represent 10 units. No problem, you are good to go. And depend on what you are having on the vertical part of this. Now, it means I will be having 10, I'll be having 20, I'll be having 30, I'll be having 40, 50, 60. Now, it means successfully, I made it 2 centimeters represent 10 units. 2 centimeters represent. It depends on what you are working on anyway. Now, please make sure you put that when you are to plot. Now, my time. What are the time? The highest time is this is going to be approximately to 40, and the lowest is 9. It means let's start from 10. It means I'll be talking about 10, 20, 30, 40, 10. Yes, with this I'm good to go. Now it means when you are to do this, it means this one is your axis, which is a cumulative frequency axis. Now this one will be what? Your time axis, which is we call it x axis. No problem. Well, we have. Now let's move on to our curve. Now we are plotting our curve, this and this and that. Now let's move on to this. The first one is when is 9, this is in 10. When is 9, this is in 10. It means 9 is not up to. That is going to be, yes, that's all. Now 10 is not up to, 9 is not up to 10. It means it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now those O's on your millimeter on your cardboard will help you to arrange or to analyze that very well without any problem. Now can we move on, which is the next one? When cumulative frequency is in 13, this is in 14. 13 and 14. Now it means my cumulative frequency is in 13, which is 13 will be somewhere here, and this is 13, and this is going to be 14. 14, 15 will be here. Half of this will be 14. Now it means it will. Well, this is sketching anyway. Please just manage. Don't forget. Please, you can also contribute to us on Further Solutions Academy. We need money. We need funds. You can raise us so that we can have a better board and everything will be available for us. Now, and the next thing, when you are on 30, this is on 19. 30 and 19. Now we are on 30 and it's on 19. It means we are talking about 30, which is cumulative frequency is in 30. Okay, and this will be on this will be 30 and 19. Now 30 and 19. 19 will be somewhere here, and they will meet at a point. This is where they meet. Now, when this also move on to the next one is that okay, now we can continue. Now when you are on 30, we have done that, and the next one is 39, and my 39 will be here, and this is also 24. It means my 20 and 24 is going up to 25. It will be like this. Sorry for that, I'm sketching. Just manage with me. Now, what I'm in 49, I'm in 46. Also, this is going to be my 46, and we're talking about 46 and 29. 46 and 29. It means they will meet at a point, which is going to be like this. Now, also, when I'm in 54 is in 36. 34. 54 and okay. When I'm in that is in that, which is going to be 54. 54 is going to be 54 and 34. 34 will be somewhere here. Now I'm sketching anyway, just manage with me for now. And the last part of it, when I'm in 39 is in 60. Now my 39 will be around here, and 60 will come over here, and they will join at a point. Now that is my cumulative frequency. Now it's not I will now join the curve, form a line. To form a line, which I will now join them together. Okay. This is good. Now I will now join them together. Okay. Now, okay, let's join them together, which I'll be having a curve. Now that is my cumulative frequency curve, which is also known as OGIF. Now, The next thing I want to do now is that the first thing is I want to find from the OGIF, which is question number C. From the OGIF, I have to rub this, sorry for that. Please join us, support us. I will send my account number to you. It's very, very important at this point. Just a fund. Now, the first thing we have to do is that we are looking for, which is CI. CI, the semi-interquartile range. Now, semi-interquartile range of the distribution. Now, it means it will be equals to my Q. My semi-interquartile range is always equals to 1 all over 2 brackets of Q3 minus Q1. That is my semi-interquartile range. My Q3 minus Q1, half of Q3 minus Q1. Now, when you have it this way, it means my Q3, I've told you in our previous solution that it will be 3 all over 4 divided by number plus 1, which is, what is the number? 60 is the number, which is going to be 61 all over, multiplied by 3 all over 4, which I will have it in terms of, it will be in terms of 45.75 position, which is item. Now, in terms of position now what I will just do is that to get my Q3 will now be, I will now come here 45 in terms of positioning, which is 45.45. Okay, in cumulative frequency, 45 is somewhere here, which is 45 point something. Let's assume is here. I'm sketching anyway, which I will now draw it down to. Now we are meeting somewhere here, which I will be, it to be also, now which it will be, what I'm having here, we call it Q3, which is going to be 30, it should be 30.5 because it's not accurately 30. Now your graph will give you the accurate answer. Your graph will give you accurate answer. Now that is my Q3, which is going to be what? 35.5. Now my Q1, it will be equals to 1 all over 4 of number plus 1, which is going to be 60 plus 1 divided by 4, which I will be having, it will be 15. My Q1, which is going to be 15 positioning, 15.5 position item. Now it means when you have 15.5 here, which is going to be 15.5, this is going to be 5, I'm coming, it's going to be 10, 15.5, it will be somewhere here, and also draw it down and draw it down, which it will be whatever you have, which is going to be 15.5. Now whatever you have, you put that there, which is going to be 16, yes, that will be 15.5. It will be 15. Let me just switch to 15 because it's up to halfway to be 15 also. 15 point something or 0.5 sharp. Now it means in terms of position, which is also correspond to what? 15. Now since I have that, it means my semi-interquartile range will be equals to 1 all over 2 bracket of Q3 minus Q1, which I'll be having. What is my Q3? My Q3 is I have 30.5 minus 15.5 all divided by 1 all over 2. Now it means it will be equals to 77. This yes, divided by 2, that will be 7.5. That will be 15. 15 divided by 2, that will be 7.5. 7.5. That is my semi-interquartile range. Without any problem, that is all. That is my answer for that. Now, the question number 2, which is II. CII, tell us the number of candidates that can late by more than 20 minutes. Can late more than 20 minutes. Okay. I need to analyze some things there. Let me quickly explain in a very, very in a way that everybody will understand. Now, it means that it's telling us that which is CII. We trace 20. We trace 20. Okay, now you just 20 minutes, which is tentative minutes, on the variable axis. That is to say, time in minutes and locates it corresponding which is cumulative frequency on the cumulative frequency axis. The number above, which is this point on the cumulative frequency gives us those that came late by more than 20 minutes from the graph. It was discovered that 32 candidates came late 20 minutes or less. Now it means the number will be equals to 60 minus 32, which is 28 candidates. That is all. Now with this, you can see how simple the question is. I'll be stopping my class here. Don't forget to have on with Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, press on the subscribe button, and you can meet us with this number. If you want to contribute to this platform or you want to ask any question, you can drop a comment below, or you contact us with this number. You can call us with this number. You can call us. You can WhatsApp us, and Telegram is also allowed. Once again, thanks for watching.